Hare Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Everyday with Bhagavad Gita. I am Madhuri. As we all know, people of India are suffering from Corona second wave. I hope you all are safe. Let us all pray to God that let this Corona vanish from our Mother Earth as soon as possible. Now let us know about Ramanavami and the reason behind Lord Ramachandra's appearance. Ramanavami means the day when Lord Ramachandra was born. He was born in Treta Yuga. Lord Ramachandra's father was Maharaja Dasharatha. He was a formidable warrior and capable of fighting alone with unlimited opponents. Dasha means 10, Ratha means chariot. Maharaja Dasharatha was so powerful that his chariot went in 10 directions. He could control the horses, fight and win in 10 directions. Maharaja Dasharatha was the king of Ayodhya. Yuddha means war. Ayodhya means no war, meaning peace. Ayodhya was very opulent city. Many houses and palaces were built of precious stones. Their beauty rivaled the palaces of Vaikunta. Ayodhya resounded with the vibration of musical instruments, rivaled Amaravati, the abode of heavenly king Indra. Throughout the city, bards and singers recited the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead, and dancers acted out the Lord's pastimes. Even though Maharaja Dasharatha was so powerful and had fantastic opulence and prestige, yet he was unhappy as he had no son to continue his dynasty. King Dasharatha performed a sacrifice for the purpose of getting a son. He received a pot of sweet rice as a reward of the sacrifice, which was distributed among his 3 queens. After 12 months, on 9th day of waxing fortnight of the month of Chaitra, Queen Kaushalya gave birth to a beautiful and divine child. Soon thereafter, the youngest queen, Kaikeyi, gave birth to a son, and Sumitra gave birth to twin sons. In Ayodhya, there was a great festival. Musicians, dancers, singers crowded the streets of Ayodhya, and citizens also participated in merrymaking. The family priest Vasishtha Muni named Kaushalya's son as Rama, which means Ananta Ananda, means unlimited happiness. Kaikeyi's son has Bharata, and Sumitra's twin sons has Lakshmana and Shatrughna. Lord Sri Rama married to Sita Devi, daughter of Janaka Maharaja. Lord Ramachandra killed Dashamukha Rakshasa, king of Lanka, Ravana. Ravana means one who makes others cry. Ravana had 10 heads, which represents lust, anger, delusion, greed, pride, envy, mind, intellect, will, ego. Rama won over evil Ravana and eradicated Ravana's anxiety from this planet, and he re-established Dharma. According to scriptures, in Satyayuga, demigods and demons lived in different planets, that is, in Devaloka and Asuraloka. In Treta Yuga, they lived in same planet but in different kingdoms, that is, Rama in Ayodhya and Ravana in Lanka. In Dwapara Yuga, they lived in same family, that is, Pandava and Kauravas. In this Kali Yuga, good and bad is in one person itself. How Lord Ramachandra eradicated demon Ravana from this Mother Earth. Likewise, let us also chant the holy names of Lord Ramachandra and free ourselves from bad qualities within us.
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Ram Ram, Dasharatha Nandana Ram. अयोध्यावासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
नमो ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिन् इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय शिल प्रभुपाद। In 10th text of Bhagavad Gita, Duryodhana is telling his commander-in-chief Dronacharya, "Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam," which means our strength is immeasurable as we are protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas paryaptam tvidamete-sham balam bhimabhirakshitam, which means Pandava's strength is limited as they are protected by Bhima. Duryodhana was always envious of Bhima, as he knew very well that he would only be killed by Bhima, and he thinks that in presence of Bhishma, Bhima is like a fig. In 11th text, after Duryodhana praised the greatest hero, Bhishma Dev, he thought that others might think they are considered less important, so in his usual diplomatic way, he is trying to adjust the situation. So Duryodhana further said, "All of you must now give full support to grandfather Bhishma as you stand at the strategic points of the entrance of the phalanx of the army." In 12th text, Bhishma Dev blew his conch shell very loudly, making a sound like a roar of a lion, giving Duryodhana joy. Indirectly, he informed his grandson Duryodhana that he had no chance of victory as Supreme Personality of Godhead was in the Pandava's side. In 13th text, after Bhishma Dev blew his conch shell, all of a sudden from Kaurava's side, all the instruments together sounded. In 14th text, it is mentioned as, "Thereafter white horses being yoked in a great chariot, Krishna and Arjuna sounded their transcendental conch shell, Jayastu Pandu Putranam Yasham Pakshe Janardanaha," which means victory is always with the persons like the sons of Pandu, because Sri Krishna is with them. Here we briefly revised 10th text to 14th text of Bhagavad Gita of chapter 1. To read Bhagavad Gita along with me, please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notifications, and also like and share my videos. We shall meet in our next video with next text of chapter 1. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,